In emergencies, your car can be a lifeline. That's why a well-stocked bug-out bag in your vehicle is essential. Let's dive into what you need to prepare your family car for any situation. First, focus on tools and equipment. Keep a multi-tool, duct tape, jumper cables, a tire repair kit, and a flashlight with extra batteries. These basics can handle minor repairs and emergencies. Next, consider fluids. Always have extra motor oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. A breakdown in a remote area can turn critical without these essentials. A comprehensive first aid kit is a must. Stock it with bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. Don't forget personal hygiene items like hand sanitizer and wet wipes. Food and water are critical for survival. Pack non-perishable food items like granola bars, nuts, and canned goods. Include a manual can opener. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. In addition to these basics, pack extra clothing, blankets, and a sleeping bag. Weather can be unpredictable, and staying warm is crucial. Consider a small stove or portable heater for extreme cold conditions. Communication tools are vital. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio keeps you informed. Don't rely solely on your phone, as signal loss is common in emergencies. A whistle and a signal mirror can help attract attention if you're stranded. Regularly check and update your supplies. Replace expired food, rotate water supplies, and ensure all equipment is in working order. Tailor the contents of your car's bug-out bag to your family's specific needs. Preparedness is not just about having the right items. It's about knowing how to use them. Regularly review and practice using the tools and equipment in your bug-out bag. This familiarity can be life-saving during a real emergency. By preparing your vehicle with a comprehensive bug-out bag, you're taking a crucial step in ensuring your family's safety during unexpected events. Stay prepared, stay safe,